What's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl We're Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, please. And to any newcomers, welcome to the family. And in today's video, I figured I would do like a part 1 and part 2. So in today's part 1, we're going to do a tutorial of 3D flowers. And it's up to you if you want to use color acrylic or like a polish. Today I decided to use the Mia Secret Rose acrylic cover powder, and that's this color. So it's kind of like a nude type color. White powder, I got this from my local beauty supply store. It's by Super Nail. Your monomer and whatever brush you want to use. This is a number 2 by Sassy Brush. It's from my local beauty supply store. And let's get started. Let's loosen up that powder. So I'm still practicing, guys, but I notice when I use a smaller brush, I can control the flower more. And with the 3D flowers, you want to use a dry bead. And if it's too dry, just go in there with a little monomer. And I like to make a little indentation mark. And while the acrylic is still wet, you want to take the time to like mold your petal, because if it dries, whatever shape it's in, that's how it's going to dry. So you want to make sure not sure if you guys can see that. Remember, this is a number 2 brush. I just found it more easier for me to control making the petals. And if you feel like the petal is too small, just add a little bit more. If the petal ends up a little bit too wet, it's okay. Still just shape it. And you want to work quick, but not too quick, because you still want to take your time. And remember, if it's too dry, just add monomer. It's fine. And don't panic. So far that's what we got. Now it's up to you how big or flat you want your petal to be. Sometimes it could be, flat. It don't have to necessarily be so 3D, but it's just really your preference. And make that little indentation. And in the middle, it's up to you. I know sometimes people either put like a little rhinestone for like the little bulb part. I know that's not the proper terminology, but you guys know what I'm talking about. In the middle, or you can just put a little dot. So just take a simple dot. That's too big. And just place it in the middle. Then if you want, maybe make like a little petal on the side. Seeing that this is a little nail, this might be a little bit too much for nails this size. You can even make them smaller. It just depends. Sorry guys, it was out of view. Just depends. But if you have longer nails, with more canvas, more room, more space, so that's that. A little 3D flower with some petals. You can always jazz it up with some rhinestones. So yeah guys, that's that one. And remember, I'm still practicing. If you have any pointers, just let me know. And that's that one. Excuse my nails, y'all. I need to fill in. I don't know. So yeah, that's that one, guys. And I'll see you on the next video. And sooner or later down the road, we're gonna do some more of these, because practice makes perfect. So don't beat yourself up if they look a little too thick like mine's. It's fine. You know, you still get the concept that it's a flower, but hey, we're in this together, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So hey, I'm back. I decided after the video to practice a little more. So this first one is the one I did in the video, and the next three is the ones I did after. So I'm kind of getting a little better. We're getting there. We're getting there. So yeah, just had to do a little update.